Hello friends, very good evening. Hope you are doing well. So myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. In this video, I'm going to make a scanner for a potential breakout for a positional trading, and the stock which going to give you the breakout on daily time frame that I'm going to create you in this video. And if you are new, kindly subscribe, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step guides to how to create that potential breakout. So I have some conditions which I use to create the scanner, and volume, and comparing the highest level, and the post breakout, or like retracement kind of thing which I'm going to plan here with this scanner. And this scanner is going to be updated on my paid Telegram group. And if you know how to use it, how to create that, but I am going to show you the steps how to create it. But only I'm going to share you the scanner on my premium Telegram group only. Okay, so the condition what I'm looking for, it made previously high, and then it moves down again. It's going to be a recovery like this. So this is what the condition which I'm going to plan with this. The stock must be moved a higher level. From that higher level, it must be small correction, and then again such a kind of pullback. So I'm looking for such a kind of a day where I want to focus for a bullish breakout, and I'm going to create this on a daily time frame on stocks, not for an index. I'm just going to try with the future and option stock, and the value of the trade should be that day closing is should be around more than 5%. So we can modify it that percentage, and we are going to compare almost uh, nearby 200 days, minimum 200 days, or you can also modify that also. So maybe 252 if you are using that as a working day for a year, and 200 days I'm just going to use it for. So how the backtest result, and then we can modify it. So the logic which I want to apply is the higher level. After the making a higher level, the stock will move down, and then again a pullback. Such a thing which I'm going to find out with the futures. And here simply we are going to use the daily highest level. Okay, so what we are going to use the high, we are going to focusing for only buying opportunity. So daily we can use a maximum function. So we are going to filter out how many stocks. So 200 days higher level. So 200 days high, I'm just calculating. Okay, so that must be less than the closing price. I'll make after making this line, I will explain you what I'm just doing it. So multiplied by number 1.05. That's what a 5% of the value. So if you are looking for this much of stocks, comparing, so we got this almost 200 days nearby high, like a GNFC, MCX, NMDC. If you are looking at the chart, NMDC, so looking at almost 200 days high. Okay, the today's close is almost 200 days high. So, but we are not going to buy at this level. So after the correction, okay. So if you're finding this stocks which is almost 200 days high, look for a Canara Bank, Coal India. So whatever the stock which filtered, it's almost 200 days nearby high, and we are following that. This is what the first condition, and the second one is maximum the high. Okay, or 30 days ago high. So simply we can filter out the highest level from last 30 days. Okay, so 30. So 1 month we are taking for a 1 month, 30 days ago high. That should be 30 days ago. Instead of maximum high, we can use it. Maximum high around 200 days. That must be greater than or equal to maximum 30 days. Right? So this condition will filter out very few numbers. Look at this. These are all the stocks: Hero Motor Corp, L&T Finance Holding. So let me go for a Hero Motor Corp. How it is looks like Hero Motor Corp. We can see. So the previous high is here, something about 3,245, and today it forming a such a big move. After this down, we find out such a big move. Okay, so maybe the a reversal that can be possible at the lowest level, but it has already made some high. So that is what this high is looking for, a 200 days high. We are looking at this and maybe a 200 days, and we are comparing last 30 days, 30 candles. So that would be great. So even we can filter out the volume factors and also the number of stocks. So maybe I can use for the stock value should be greater than 100. That means closing price must be greater than 100. So if you are filtering out, it will be avoid some very less number of stocks. Okay, stock value if we are using, so we have 11 stocks. Okay, so if you are not using this thing, so that will not give you. But if you are using equity, so this condition will help you. So because in equities a lot of stock which is trading less than 100 rupees, that will be came into the scanner. So simply avoid that. We can use this one function and volume. So the latest volume, that means the daily volume should be greater than either SMA volume. So SMA, SMA, simple moving average. So we are using volume, maybe around 20, or even we can use over 50 positional. Na? So if you are on the scan, so we have a Hero Motor Corp, L&T Finance, and Lara's Lab. So Hero Motor we've seen in L&T Finance, L&T Finance. You can see the previous high is there, and before that it is looking like this. So almost this is the candle. So only above to the high, we are going to look for an opportunity, but here we don't get any good opportunities. Okay, Lara's Lab and something like Metropolis. These are all the scanner. So Lara's Lab, it was a down candle, but it is even a big. So this high above we are looking for. Previous high is the and it's down and having an opportunity. So okay, that we filter Metropolis. Metropolis, what is happening? This is also be a red candle. So we are finding a bullish stocks only. Okay, it is a negative day. So simply we can use for the latest open must be greater than close. That will be or close greater than open. So this condition will filter out a stock which is having open. So this is what only positive stocks. So we will find out only Hero Motor and L&T Finance Holding. So we avoid some negative stocks. So better I can save the scan for a positive breakout or like a potential breakout stocks. I will rename it later. So we can modify a lot of things. And backtest. So let me go to see. These are all the backtest. Randomly we can check at this day or any point of the time we can check it. Bose and Biocon on 28.9. So let me check. Yes, Bose. Here is the high. After that 28.9. Maybe here is the high, and after that 28.9. Maybe this point. And those highs were breakout, and that is happening on not on next day, but later it is breakout and it given you some opportunity. Okay, so Biocon is the next one, and you can also backtest this Biocon 29. It may be a failure one, so okay, that's not an issue. So it is not repainting that was showing you. If it is given you the breakout, and that should be the stop loss. Okay, that may be triggered, and any other random days which you can check in Bajaj Finance 31310, Ramco Cement, Bajaj Finance, maybe this 25.3. Yeah, this is what in the breakout. So the stop loss is not broken and it given you some movement. And L&T Finance holding again on the day of 10 3 3rd October. It doesn't break, and only after breakout and maybe a stop loss. Okay, that's right. So we can filter out the scanner MGN. So one more thing on this day, and still it is higher than our breakout point. So okay. So one more condition which we can use it here, that may be a body of the candle should be, let me go for plus minus 1 greater than A minus 2 multiplied by number 0.8. We are filtering, so we don't have any stocks today. Okay, no problem, but very few number of stocks. So maybe this will filter out our stocks in Metropolis on 1210. So let me go for Metropolis 1210. Maybe this. Yeah. So it has given you the breakout 1512 and next day it given you such a good movement. So we are filtering out that stock and previously Hero Motor Cup on 1110. So this will filter out many stocks. 1110 that is also giving you some good results. And go back. Very few number of stock. Bajaj Finserv 610. 16 maybe huge, but still it is about to the higher levels, no problem. But it was a huge move. Maybe a stop loss is big, so we can ignore. At this point, Bajaj Finance and MGL. MGL, the date may be here, and 3rd October, still it is on a higher. In Bajaj Finance on the same day, 3rd October. So it is also giving you some opportunity, and it moves in the previous back test, maybe this point of time. So we have NMDC, India Cements, Coal India, and 19. So NMDC 19. Here's the first 19 on September. Yeah, so maybe it doesn't give you the opportunity, but that is such a good move. In Coal India, it's a 19. Maybe next day it's a gap up, but it wasn't a good move. So India Cements 19. It's now 19. 28th August. Maybe this and huge candle. Maybe this one is failure. So almost 10%, but 10% we are not going to take a risk. But you need to plan. So if you are adjusting this, you will be getting more stocks. Okay, so maybe 0.7 also you'll be getting many stocks. If you are using 0.7, today we got an Hero Motor Cup. And in a backtest result, we will be getting more number of stocks. So we can adjust this factor. So you will be getting minimize the stock and it will be going to give you the stock which is going to, or you can use an 100 days also. Simply we can change for 100 days instead of that. Okay, so that may be, yeah, that may be 100 days also we can plan to Hero Motor Cup, and you can get a lot of stocks here. And I'm going for 0.8, fewer number of stocks. That's okay. This time we have mostly the same stocks. Oh, so dashboard. I think we are not saving. Saved it, no problem at all. And then after that we can rename it, and that condition is not added. So we should use again the conditions to get the filtered very less number of stock. We can go for I minus low, sorry, close minus open, and should be greater than I minus low and multiplied by. So this is what a condition which you are using for that to find out a positive breakout shot 0.8. So we go for, and today now stocks, if you're using 0.8, very less number of stocks. If I'm using 0.7, so I will be getting Hero Motor Cup today. So instead of this, save the scan and we can submit this one in Hero Motor Cup. So maybe we can look for Hero Motor Cup as a positioning breakout. So about to this lower and about to this highest level, maybe that candle low as our stop loss. So let me track whether it is working for our positional, and also you can just go to the back test with a modified different factors, and you will be finding out the even volume and number of days. So that will help you, and even you can use it here in 3. So 3% stocks. So if you are using, so we'll be getting so some more stocks. So that you need to filter out, and this is what the idea for the scanner which we are going to focus and find out a trade opportunity by using our Chartink scanners, the potential breakout. So which we can, and I'm going to share you this link on the Chartink premium Telegram group if you wish, and you can go to and modify and backtest it, and let me update on the comment box how it is working. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and thank you for like this video if you really liked it, and share to your friends if you have liked it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you have any other questions, just comment on the comment box. And if you want to access my premium scanner group, so just WhatsApp me the number which shown on this video itself. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.